final Mbira for today. For now, we are going to be collecting more. And Mbira dzeVandau.
So this is the Mbira dzaVaNdau. A Mbira unique to Dau culture. Dau people are found in southeast Zimbabwe, into Mozambique as well. So in the region of Chipinge, Chimanimani, and there are many different variations or dialects of the Ndau language, and also different iterations of Ndau culture. So this particular Mbira is a Mbira dzeVandau you find on this side of Zimbabwean border. But if you look at the Mbira dzeVandau you might find on the Mozambican side, it has a different structure. So they might play the bass keys a bit more than they do the keys on the right side, for example. And it might even have fewer keys than the keys that you find on the Zimbabwean side. So Ndau Mbira music is organized around 6 notes. It really emphasizes, because a lot of people have the perception that Ndau people are Shona people, but that's not really true. The language is very different.
Different and difficult.
And very difficult. When I went to Chipinge and you are hearing Ndau people speaking to each other, you can only hear maybe 20% of what they're saying, because they incorporate a lot of words. They share a lot of vocabulary with Tlengwe, Shangan, even Ndebele, Zulu, and other languages.
Is everything in there?
Yeah. So even the structure of the music is very different.
Very different.
So a lot of Mbiras, your right hand plays those high line melodies, and your left hand kind of plays some of the lower notes. But the Mbira dzeVandau kind of flips it in a bit. Your right hand plays a kind of constant or consistent melody. So for example, in this song, you just be going with your right hand, you don't change. The high notes and the kind of embellishing of the song happens on your left.
On your left.
So that has been a bit of a challenge, because I think I've been spoiled into thinking I just have to use my right hand for all those interesting little variations that make Mbira music the way it is. But in Ndau music, it's your left hand has to also be very strong for the music to really find its character.
Well, yeah, that's Africa, yeah. We have different types of music. This is exactly why we try to tell you that don't put us in one little box. We are a music that has no limits whatsoever. It can be interpreted differently by the person who's actually playing it. And knowledge is retained the same way as you embody and play the music when creating it. So, from me and Anesu Ndoro, I hope you enjoyed our series of African instruments, and get in touch. Details down below, so that we can have so much fun playing this music from the motherland. You are Africa. I am Africa. We are definitely Africa. Until next time, ciao, ciao.